Hello, Facebook family. I am freezing cold today, and I know depending on where you are in the world, you may not be, but we did have a cold snap here in Houston. So if you walked out to your vehicle this morning and you saw a little warning light and you weren't sure what it was, and it had a little exclamation point in it, you might be thinking, what the heck is that? It could be your tire pressure warning light. So when the temperature changes like we had last night, it's very common that the air in your tires contracts and it triggers the tire pressure warning system. So let's take a look inside this ES because it's had that exact problem, and we're here at the dealership to get the tires aired up. But I want to show you how to figure out what your tire pressure is in your Lexus. So we already have this one turned on, but when you hop in this vehicle and you see that light, so it's symbolizing a low tire, and it's got our little exclamation point, warning, warning. When you see that, it means low tire pressure. Depending on the year of your vehicle, you can actually go into the multi-information display with the arrow controls on your steering wheel, and you can check for your tire pressure. Now this one's letting me know that all 4 tires are low. So we have that indicator with that bright orange, and we can see that our tire pressure is low on all 4 tires. Now as you drive, your tires will heat up, so the air inside of them will heat up as well. Then they might turn off that tire pressure light all by themselves. If that happens, that's okay, but it's still always a good idea to have all of your tires checked. Make sure that you have proper inflation. You can even check your inflation, that is your PSI that's recommended for the tires that are on your vehicle. That's going to maximize your fuel economy and give you that ride quality that Lexus had in mind when the designers for your vehicle picked which tires are best for the shoes on your fabulous Lexus. So we want to make sure that you are safe and sound in your Lexus. If you ever see that tire pressure light go off and it's not during seasonal changes like this, it could mean that you have a nail in your tire. So you always want to get all tires checked on the vehicle. If you have a vehicle that checks the spare tire as well, make sure to have them check all 5 of your tires. Now a lot of tires nowadays, the spare is a space-saving spare, or if you have run flat tires on your vehicle, you won't even have a spare tire in the back. So you want to be educated about what type of tires, do you have a spare or not? If your spare is not in the system to be checked, make sure to check it anyway. It's always a good time, and you want to be safe if you need it later on the road. Thanks for checking us out for Tech Tip Tuesday. Be safe and stay warm.